Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepard Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, December 11th, 2020. For Fun Fact Friday, we have the United States Post Office processes more than 3 billion Christmas cards in the mail every year. So here's a little challenge. I want to see if you can write the number 3 billion. 3 billion. If you have a little scrap of paper or a pencil, try that on your paper right now, 3 billion, and see if you can show your teacher what that number would look like. Just a little extra challenge for our Fun Fact Friday. 3 billion Christmas cards. Either way, that is a lot of Christmas cheer. Next, please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now, a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Friday, December 11th, for breakfast we have cereal, and for lunch we have chicken tenders or nuggets. On Monday, we have cereal for breakfast, and we have a deli sandwich or chips for lunch. Today's birthday, we have Torlasia Howard, Christopher Holly, and Mavis Adams. So happy birthday today to these friends. Our birthdays for the weekend are Chris Perez, Serenity Hertz, and Joshua Kuehler. Important dates. Today is Friday, December 11th, and hopefully out there are lots and lots of Christmas shirts and jeans. Going Christmas casual today. Next Friday, we will have Feel Good Friday for our teachers. We have class celebrations at 1:30 for our kiddos and Pajama Day. I can't wait. Next, I would like to announce our Shepard Supporter of the Month for the month of November. Our Shepard Supporter for the month of November is Heather Adams, mother of Mavis Adams in Miss Waller's room. Miss Adams made a generous donation of an air purifier for Miss Waller's classroom. She is also very appreciative of the teachers' hard work each day and wanted to keep everyone well. We definitely need everybody well. Thank you for supporting Kate Shepard, Miss Adams. Gosh, we are so happy to have her, and congratulations to her for being our Shepard Supporter of the Month. Next, a couple of reminders. Make sure that the books you request are on or close to your level, students, and they need to not request any new books until the ones they have checked out have been read, tested on, and returned to the library. I know that we have some AR tests going on these days, which is awesome. Keep up the good work. Keep taking those tests and reaching those goals. Now we have a couple of shout-outs. Jordan McCarroll has a shout-out to Adriana S. She said that she is a good helper in the classroom. So that is awesome. We love people who like to help. So thank you, Adriana, for being a good helper, and good of you to notice there, Jordan. Next, we have a shout out to Miss Bauer. Miss Bauer was recognized by Carrie White Brown, and this is what she says. We always do fun stuff with her, and she is nice and kind. She turns learning into fun. Fantastic. Shout out to Miss Bauer for making learning fun. That's awesome. Next, we have a congratulations for our Spelling Bee winners. First place was Nicoya Jackson, and runner-up was Libby Jones. Awesome job, ladies. Also, great work by all of our students that participated in the Spelling Bee. It was a fun time. Lots of great spellers out there, and can't wait to see you spell next year. Next, wow, look at all those presents under the tree, Kate Shepard kiddos. The Kate Shepard Elementary students collected almost 300 toys. Actually, I think it may have been over 300 toys. So, tons of toys to stuff that bus. We appreciate you being generous and giving to other people. Good job. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepard, and I'll see you on Monday.